Hey everybody, yesterday I showed a video of the homemade seed tape. Well, this is the garden I planted with it. It's our lettuce bed. Up here is a couple of rows of radishes, and then there's 2 rows of butter crunch, 2 rows of red lettuce. It's crimson something, or anyway, 2 rows of red lettuce, 2 rows of romaine, and 2 rows of another kind of lettuce that I can't pronounce. And then some basil in the back. You can see the toilet paper. It looks like a landfill. But hey, that's my homemade seed tape. And the chicken wire here over it is because we have cats. And everybody knows what cats like to do with fresh dirt. Me and Tinky the Wonder Dog down here been outside getting some projects done. Other project I was working on is out here with my girls, a couple of roosters, but hey, the chicken coop. The door was falling apart, so I rebuilt the door. In typical fashion for me, I recycled a pallet, broke it down, and built a new door. Now that you see at the bottom was my wife's idea. That's a old cabinet door from where I rebuilt the kitchen cabinets. We put this in. It's like a pet door for the chickens. And the reason being, for one thing, on the cold days, I can open that and let them out and keep more heat inside the house. Another thing is, it'll keep it darker in there and keep a broody hen more secure. Now, if you have to go in and get eggs or anything like that, it still opens like a normal door. So, recycle materials. Problem solved. I don't know how good the pet door will work, but we'll find out. Besides the fact it looks cool and it's unique. You guys have a good one. Tinky the Wonder Dog, gonna come